Kia ora, hello to everybody in my science class. Today is the 27th of August 2021. I'd like to look at these things today. Revisit karyotypes, revisit Watson, Crick, Wilkins and Franklin, and talk about the theft. Then introduce how baby sex determination works, how a baby is, whether a baby is a boy or a girl. There are all sorts of other complications, but I'm going to give you the simplest possible picture. Looking ahead a little bit. That's karyotypes, is basically a photograph of all the chromosomes all lined up, and the little cut and paste job there for those of you who have glue and scissors at home or sellotape. Here we go, some of the questions here which were given up, and these are the raw materials. There's 46 chromosomes found in a normal human cell. Put the answers in. One of each pair comes from one of the parents, and there's some more mixing up done before that too. Now, pair 23 are the sex chromosomes. They're the special ones. We're going to get on to that. Now, here's some answers to this one. These are the projects you got from this little comprehension exercise here. Moving along. Wilkins was involved in radar and the atomic bomb during World War II. There's significant biological discovery of structure of DNA. These guys published their work in the journal Nature back in 1953. Rosalind Franklin did not get the Nobel Prize, partly because she was dead and they only give Nobel Prizes to people who are living. But I think she probably would have missed out anyway because she was a woman and things were very, very sexist and unkind then. They've improved a little bit, but not enough yet. Now, moving along to how a boy or a baby girl is figured out. In males, pair 23 has got X's and Y's in males and X's and X's in females. And to show you how things work, I've got this sort of one here. I've made a little color code. I've made a little highlight box. I know it's a bit twee, but blue for boys and pink for girls is a handy color code. So males have got X's and Y's, females have X's and X's. In sperms and in eggs, the number of chromosomes is halved from 46 down to 23. Males' chromosomes with a 50-50 chance can be either X or Y. Females can be 50-50 chance of X or X, which is a bit odd, but that's just a nice little way to see how it works. The possible combinations of eggs and sperms, if you've got two different types of sperms, two different types of eggs, there are 4 possible outcomes. This X could form this X, or this X, the blue for boys. This Y can form this Y, we'll move my face out of the way, or this Y in here. The X here could be this X or this X. This X could be this one or this one. So we've got 4 possible outcomes, 4 different possibilities, each of which is most similarly likely. So we've got 25% chance of this and this and this and this. So this chance here is 1 chance in 4 of a girl, XX. XX is a girl, 1 chance in 4. So 2 chances out of 4, 1 out of 2 of a girl. XY is a male combination. XY is a male combination. 1 chance out of 4 there, or 25%, 1/4. 25% chance similarly here. So we've got a 50% chance of the male and a 50% chance of the female, which is a clever little trick. Now, I'm not going to go through all the answers, but I've done the answers to question number 1. I've done to the question number 2 and 3. I've not done question 4 or question 5. That's on you, and I'll give them answers tomorrow. Fellas, thank you very much for listening, and feel free to email me if you get stuck, and also email me, let me know what you're learning and what's working and what changes you might like. I'm doing the very best I can, and I'd like to try and improve that. Thanks, everybody.